Big news, big news, big news. Theresa May says she will quit as Conservative leader on the 7th of June, paving the way for a contest to decide a new Prime Minister. In an emotional statement, she said she had done her best to deliver Brexit, and it was a matter of deep regret, and I quote, that she had been unable to do so. Mrs. May said that she would continue to serve as Prime Minister while a Conservative leadership contest takes place. Did you want her to go?
I mean, I don't care much about them.
No? In a business?
I don't. She could have gone, she could have stayed, wouldn't have changed anything for me. But
it does though. Why do we think that things happening overseas and around the
I'm
world
not saying,
don't impact us?
I'm not saying it doesn't impact us, but I just don't care.
You don't care?
Yeah, I don't care too much about it because either way she would have been gone. Either by resignation
or
a
pushing
vote of no
out.
confidence.
Yeah,
so she would have been gone anyway.
That is true. I think she did the classy thing and stepped aside and allowed them to actually, decide for themselves what it is that they want.
Because it would have been like a blotch on her record.
It already is, though, I think.
For them to push her out as opposed to stepping down.
Yeah. And Brexit, I still think that a lot of people don't know what Brexit is after all of this. So, I mean citizens of the actual country.
I think people in their own parliament.
Yeah, they don't know what it is. So let's hope that with all of that, we can actually get some information and some clarity on what it is and what the steps will be post her exit. The next one, kind of funny. You're thinking this though.
Right. So a Wendy's worker has been fired after he was filmed taking a bubble bath in a kitchen sink at a chain in Florida.
Don't laugh it out. Tell them.
Footage posted on social media shows the barefoot employee stripping down to his shorts and climbing into the soapy tub at the Wendy's on Highway 90 in Milton. His co-workers are heard egging him on, shouting, "Go, go, go, take the bath." The bath went viral, of course, shared more than 13,000 times in a few hours.
Oh, gosh.
While most people's comments were along the lines that this was disgusting, that's gross, everyone should be fired and fined, others, like myself, made light of the situation.
Me nah make light of that because guess what? When you go eat from there, so they might wash out the soap.
Probably it's after hours. And
after hours, you think so them can use enough detergent and disinfectant to make sure that clean enough to wash anything when we are eating or eat off of?
You know what it is? What it is though, Zach? It's because we're seeing it. And much things happen at them fast food chains where you don't see.
Eat from people on a regular.
You want to scrub your arm, man. You go eat a burger and a beer. You imagine it.
You bite a burger.
You bite a burger, a piece of beef.
Look now, if that's happening now, there's a 3-letter word that Americans draw for all of this. It's called sue. Sue, and sue some more. But seriously, that's gross.
Yeah, it won't happen in Jamaica though. So big up our.
It's gross.
Big up our Wendy's in Ligani. Nice ladies at work here.
It's gross. It's really gross. So they might wash your salad in that after
they wash them salad.
Dwayne! Oh my gosh, I'm moving on. And still on the note of bizarre news. Most people who break into a house come to clean out the place, not clean up the place. But a Massachusetts man made a startling and spotless discovery after someone allegedly broke into his home just to tidy it up. I'm girlfriend did that. You hear me telling that? Nate Roman, a Marlborough resident, posted about the bizarre incident on Facebook. He said, while he was at work, a stranger entered his house. It's possible that I forgot to lock the back door. They didn't break anything while entering, he wrote, noting that he forgot to activate his alarm and surveillance video system. Boy, way about to have it for if you know got turn it on a morning time. Me would have loved to see a who would go in there and be like, no man, this is dirty man. I have to clean this. I'm girlfriend or a mother.
I'm grandmother. Has to be a woman.
Trust me.
Because I'd be so thankful for someone to break into my car.
I would have left my
clean it.
open. Be like, I'm leaving my door open today, just in case you want to clean it. Oh goodness gracious.
Was this in America?
That was good.
Yeah. Americans are
they're strange.
All right. So this last one, this is very sad and very close to home. The man convicted for killing fashion designer Dexter Pottinger is set to spend 12 years in prison. On April 10th, 23-year-old Romario Brown pleaded guilty to manslaughter in relation to the designer's death. On Friday, he was sentenced to 12 years for manslaughter, 4 years for larceny of the motor vehicle, and 1 year for simple larceny. The sentences will run concurrently, but Pottinger's relatives have reacted to the 12-year sentence handed down to Romario Brown, saying
It is.
it's too short a time. You know, his sister Tashan Adams said the family is not satisfied. So
I don't think anything would make me satisfied for that. If you take his life, I think you should just spend the rest of your life.
Yeah.
I mean, honestly, I'm not gonna say we live in an eye for an eye society, but I believe if you can take someone's life,
yeah.
then you should give yours as well.
And you've stopped the livelihood of someone and his family. His family won't ever get him back.
You're telling
in
me
12
that when you
years'
add
time.
that up, what is that? 12 for 1-on-1? That's
Yeah.
what it said?
Yeah. But
That's what? 16 years?
I'm not good at
16,
maths.
18 years. 18 years. He's a young person. So when 18 years done, what? Him just going to
Yeah, but
come
remember
out?
it's running concurrently.
Yeah.
So,
And
you know, he comes out in 18 years and then,
no, sir. Negative. I'm with the family on that one.
why?
You know what, though? What I'd like for you guys to do is just remember that in all things we have to stay positive and try and see the other side of it. Let's not get down into the dumps about it. Let's just realize that at some point we found someone that was responsible and his memory is going to live on because he's an absolutely wonderful person. So his memory will forever live on. All right, guys, we have more to go in the show, so we're not going to hold you up. Make sure you let us know what you think on all our social media platforms. That's it for the trending topic.